I am from the PC Error Detective YouTube channel, and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to enable Ultimate Performance in Windows 11 to get maximum performance from your system. Step 1. Right-click the Start button and select Terminal with Admin Privileges. This opens the Windows terminal as an administrator, which is important because system-level power commands require full access to make changes. Step 2. Paste the provided command and press Enter on your keyboard. This command adds the hidden Ultimate Performance Power Plan to Windows 11, allowing your system to use more power for better speed and responsiveness. Step 3. Click the Search button, type Control Panel, and open it from the results. The Control Panel is where you can manage classic Windows settings, including power and hardware options. Step 4. Click on Hardware and Sound from the Control Panel menu. This section contains settings related to devices, power, and system hardware behavior. Step 5. Click Power Options or choose a power plan. Here, Windows shows all available power plans that control how your PC uses energy and performance resources. Step 6. Click Show Additional Power Plans to expand the hidden options. This step is important because the Ultimate Performance Plan is not visible by default. Step 7. Select Ultimate Performance to enable it. Once selected, your PC will prioritize performance over power saving, which is useful for demanding tasks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the PC Error Detective YouTube channel.